This quiet hour is the best of all. Just the sound of the rain falling down again under a velvet sky. So soft, so high, so soft, so high. City sleeps and the velvet sky weeps.